Hello, Reservoir Run Farm. Just showing you how we keep our pastured pork. We have 4 pigs in an electric net. So we use a 100-foot Premier One poultry net with stand posts 6 feet apart. Those are a little bit closer than the other ones. It makes it a little bit more solid. And so we use this electrified to keep our pigs in. And so what we do right now is just run it off our perimeter fencing, which is AC powered electric. And so I think eventually we might get to doing a battery when we get a little bit further out into the pasture. So we use this 100-foot poultry netting, and this we give them approximately 4 days in each range, because they will start to kind of ground out the wire as they push the dirt onto the bottom. So we've seen our electric voltage drop from about 10,000 to 4,000 in the last couple days that they're in their range. And as we're connected to our perimeter right now, that means the perimeter also drops. So we try to get them out onto a new pasture, a new spot with this 100-foot enclosure, which gives them about, what, I guess 500 square feet or something like that of area, and kind of like a Vancouver apartment size. So we think that's pretty good for a couple of days, and you can see this is their last day in this pasture, and before we move them. So just to show you exactly how we do our electric, you can actually make a little opening for yourself here. This just works really well because we can move in and out, and the pigs don't really test this at all. And then we just made a little handle, so it's connected here to the wire that goes to the perimeter, and then we have a little handle here which you can just take off and then kind of use it to open the fence a little bit more, and then you can come in and join the pigs who are wallowing right now. So that's just kind of a brief rundown of our electric netting setup. We have a number of nets, and you can see we're still using them for the previous spots to keep our dogs out from eating the pig poop the day after. So and as well, we planted some veggies. So that's just a little brief rundown of the netting that we use to keep our pigs in.